Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Carlo Mendez TV. Okay, ayun. Welcome back to Carlo Mendez TV. Ayan. Dahil magno-New Year ngayon guys, samahan nyo ako magluluto tayo ng mga ibang ihahanda natin ngayong New Year. Okay? So, you better watch out. Charot. First thing, ayan ha. Ayun nga ho guys, ang unang gagawin natin, maglalaga tayo ng, ano ba yung pugo sa ano? Oo, quail egg. Kasi gagawa tayo ng mixed vegetable with quail egg. Ayan ha. So ayun nga ho guys, quail egg, ihahalo natin sa mixed vegetable. Ayan ha. So mamaya, bali dalawa itong mixed vegetable natin. So, this will gonna be so yummy later. So ayan nga ho itong ating quail egg. Ayan. So let's put it here. Ha? Habang... Ay! Dalaga natin ito ang quail egg. Ayan. Ha? Para makita nyo. Ayan. Ayan. Laga natin yan. Ito ang quail egg. Meron pa ako dito. Actually, tatlo yung quail egg natin guys. Ha? Ayan. Tatlong pack pala. So, ayun nga ho, kabayan ha. Ayan nga ho. Nabalatan na natin ang itlog. Medyo nahirapan ako magbalat dahil kasi mahirap pala balatan ito. At ayan, naka-ready na ho ang ating ang ating dalawang mixed vegetable. At nagpapainit na tayo ngayon ng kaserola para magisa. Ayan. So, ito yung gagamitin natin mantika. Ay, mantika mo. Itong claro. Ayan. Wait lang guys, nahulog yung ano ko, nahulog yung takip. So ayan guys magigisa na tayo. So, init na bait na. Dapat pala yung nalagay ko yung butter. At mantika nilagay ko. I got to play hardball from a little bit. Wait lang, palitan natin ng butter. Wait lang guys Lagyan muna natin itong mantika na dito.
Okay, well, I'm sitting in my car outside of the FedEx right now. I'm supposed to be sitting.
Kasi nakalimutan ko, dapat butter pala yung ilagay.
My name is Steve Wilson, and I work with Apple Incorporated. She's actually entitled for her 401k to get a $50,000
butter.
Yes.
Tumigas na.
Okay. Steve, I'll call you back in 30 minutes.
Just go inside the FedEx and send the parcel the address which I gave you. We will give you the receipt. Okay, I just need the picture of that receipt.
So ayan, halo-halo natin itong nakakita.
What if Steve wants it?
I don't know who is Steve. Just forget about the Steve, ma'am.
Halo-halo natin itong itong butter, kabayan, no. Ayan. Hanggang matunaw siya. Ayan. Ganun lang siya guys. Ganun lang magluto ang virgin. Alam niyo yan. Kasi nakalimutan ko kanina, akala ko mantika yung gagamitin ko, butter pala. Happy New Year everyone. Pinapatunaw ko lang guys yung butter. Okay. Tagal So guys, ayan nga ho, maggigisa na ako ng sibuyas para sa ating ground beef. Ayan, kasi magagawa tayo ng tacos. Yan ang ating handa ngayong New Year's Eve. Ayan. Itong ating ground beef. Ayan. And yeah. Ito na lang ata. May gagawin pa pala ako after. Tapos makikita niyo yung plating natin mamaya. Okay? Ayan nga ho guys. So mamaya pakita natin mga finished product na mga niluto natin mamaya. So ngayon naman guys, gagawa tayo ng cheese sticks. So itong ating mga cheese. Ayan. So meron tayong 3 cheese dito. Ayan ho. So ikakat natin ito para gawing cheese sticks. At meron na rin tayo dito lumpia wrapper. Ayan. So, ayan ang susunod natin gagawin. Okay? So, ayun nga ako guys. Hindi nyo ako makita ha. Pero, ito yung first natin na cheese.
This was a very promising development, seeing a desire from a local police force wanting to take action against a
Para sa cheese sticks.
We contact them, Jim from Media, or you should contact them. What do you want to do?
Dumi ng kamay ko.
We want that you should contact the victim or the complainant who can raise the complaint to your official email ID or a written statement to you.
Also, I think you may have been speaking to Carl, is that right?
Exactly. Calling sister from the last 1 year.
If you want me to talk to them or us
So, ito, hiwain na
to
natin ha.
divide the load or something,
Ano
I'm
ba to?
quite happy to do that. You want
Mahaba o
the
ano?
victims to send an email to that email address saying, yes, I was scammed and here's as much as I know. Is that correct?
Yes, exactly. What I want is that
Siguro ganito kalaki. Pwede na.
scan. He or she must write down in the email that what he impersonated
Ito kakapal pala ay
Microsoft Office or
sa mga ganito ka.
or any other company who would be
Ganito kakapal guys. Pwede natin.
for his video. Yeah. That
Kakapal.
that we in our IT
Ano
section.
muna
the
natin?
impersonation is the one
Slice,
section
ganyan.
which we can raise in an IT crime. It's the impersonation of any computer. First, then another is the cheating.
Dumidikit siya dahil. Buti pa yung
Someone has been cheated, but impersonating
cheese
by
dumidikit.
documents or
Samantalang pag-ibig,
anything,
umihiwalay. Charot.
sections of law.
Alright, we know what we need to do, and then, okay, so we get this to you, and then how long does it take? Like, we want to try to hold each other accountable here, so.
Medyo matrabaho lang ito guys. Pero, siyempre, tsaga-tsaga lang. Nakakatuwa lang kasi ay! Nahulog. Buti nag-shoot dito sa ano.
We'll get to know once the need is respect, we'll be knowing that how we work, how we rate it,
So, ganito ka lang.
how as a team we work. So how Larry has opened at that LLC company? Could you please explain how is LLC being created online or according to?
So, ayun nga ho guys Ito nagawa na natin yung ating chick sticks. Okay, pero parang ang lalaki ng chick sticks ko. Ito, ayan. Ayan guys. Oo, ayan. So, ngayon lulutuin na natin to. And then mamaya, pinapainit na natin to. And then later on, papakita ko sa inyo yung finished product natin, yung plating. Para maganda yung kanyang itsura. Abangan. Hello guys! Happy New Year sa lahat. Itong ating konting kakainin ngayong medyo noche. Ayan. Meron tayong mixed vegetable na may quail, egg, and then yung ground beef para sa tacos. And lumpia. And ito ang gusto ko, yung pagkaka-arrange ko. Oh, ganda-ganda, di ba? Oh, so lovely. Oh, Ayan nga ho, wish ko na maging maganda ang bagong taon natin lahat and good health and more blessings to all of us, long life to live and forgive God forgive it all our sins. Ayan. And moving forward na sa magandang mga bagay-bagay sa mundong ibabaw o kay kabayan, Carlo Mendez is saying God bless Philippines, God bless the world. Arriba, Happy New Year to all of you. Bye-bye.